mLIMS pairwise mating tutorial generated by Susan from BioInfo RX. A pairwise mating creates separate matings for a pair with a common dam or sire. We can create that in mLIMS, from Animals, and the Review Animals, select the mice for pairwise mating. Click Mating. Choose Select Cage, because I want to use the sire's cage as mating cage. Select Pairwise Mating. Put in mating name and date. Put in strain information. Submit to generate the pairwise mating. Review the mating. We can see the generated two pairwise matings have same name and with different dam and same sire as expected. The adding litter process is the same as for the normal mating. If you have any questions, please contact us.